Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you're signed into the exact Microsoft account you want on your Xbox or PC. This links the subscription to your profile. Once signed in, open the Microsoft Store or navigate to Xbox.com/redeem on a browser. Enter the 25-character Game Pass key when prompted. This is the core step that converts the code into subscription time. Make sure to double-check characters. O versus 0 and I versus 1 are common mistakes. After entering the code, you'll see a preview of what the key grants, such as Game Pass Core, Ultimate, or PC. Read the confirmation screen so you know if it extends existing time or starts a new plan. This avoids accidental charges. Once you accept, the system may ask to verify payment methods only if converting to Ultimate with Cloud or EA Play benefits. Make sure to check your inbox for the activation email. It verifies the link between key and account. With the key redeemed, you can immediately access and download titles included with Game Pass from your library, installed directly on console or PC. If you don't see features, sign out and back in, or verify you used the same Microsoft account tied to your Xbox profile. If redemption fails, make sure the code hasn't expired, matches your region, and wasn't already used. Contacting Microsoft support with the code and purchase proof resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.